Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
Hello, here is Sharpstar Optics channel. Hello.
Hello.
And we will have our first live stream later this night. If you are interested, you can keep on this. We will start it at half of eight.
Today's live is all about ATED. If you are interested, don't leave. Hello everyone.
Hello, and this live stream will start it after 10 minutes later, and if you are interested, you can just keep on it.
Today our live is all about ATED.
Yes, and it's first live stream from Sharpstar Optics.
For those who are new here, we are about introduction of ATED. Take around to know something awesome.
Hello, the news and this live stream was started after a few minutes later. And if you are interested with our new products from Sharpstar Optics, just keep on it and we will introduce it later.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. We will started our live stream later, and if you are interested, just keep eyes on it. A few moments later, maybe 5 minutes, and we will introduce this new product for you.
If you are interested,
Yes.
stick around to know something awesome.
Yes, and you can also send this link for your friends or your astronomical mentors to share this link for them, and we will introduce this new ATED later from our this live stream. Maybe it was more detailed information about it. So if you are interested, just keep eyes on it. And if you have any questions later, you can just print it and we will answer you.
If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section.
Here is our first Sharpstar Optics, and we're trying to have a live stream, and so we are trying to make different ways to show our products. And if you are all right.
Hello. Before we start, you can click to follow us, and then you want to miss our update.
Okay, we will start our this live stream later, maybe 4 minutes. Yes. And you can also share with your friends with this link so they can also watch this live stream. We will introduce some new informations about our this new products.
Stick around and don't leave. Hello, everyone. For someone new here, our introduction is all about ATET. If you are interested, don't leaf, and stick drum.
We will start this live stream at half of this hour. So, if you are just coming this live stream now, just wait it, and we will start our introductions later.
Hello everyone, we will start in 2 minutes.
Hello everyone, it's half of this hour now, and we will started our first live streaming tonight.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm so excited to have you here today.
Yes.
Ready to explore the universe from the backyard?
Yes, and today we will introduce our new product, the Aska ATED, and it's very portable and a very budget product. And if you want to know more details with this product, just keep eyes on our live stream. And it is Sharpstar Optics' first live stream uh, today, yes, and we are always trying more different ways to better show our products for you. So if we are not doing very good everything tonight today, please bear with us. Thank you.
Yes, today's live is all about ATED. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. For those who are new here, we are all about introductions of ATED. Stick around and to know something awesome. Don't leave.
Yes, and we are introduce our new product. And you, if your friends or if anyone want to see these new products and want to learn more about it, just keep eyes on it, and you can share this link with your friends and ask him to watch it.
Yes, before we start, you can click to follow us and then you won't miss our updates. So let's go.
Yes, okay, now I will introduce its optical design for you. And the ASCA ATED is, as its name, it has an aperture of 80 millimeter, and its focal ratio is 7, so the focal length is 560 millimeter. And it is a very moderate focal ratio. It has a wide range of applications. So, like Aska brands, many products has also such f7 focal ratio like the PHQ series. I think many users have used it. And yes, and this the focal ratio I think is has a wide range of. And the optical lens features a two-element structure and including one piece of ED glass and one piece of regular glass. And after our actual testing, like we testing it actually, and the star performance and the affection is really great. So don't bother with it.
Used with its imaging accessories, we prepared the flattener and reducer and we will introduce in detail later. It's a specially optimized for APS-C imaging, such as CWASI 2 2600. The DSLR camera can be used for photography with a camera adapter. The ASCA ATED is suitable for astrophotography and visual observation, offering excellent quality and such a selection of accessories.
Yes, and to any users, if you have any questions about our brand or have any questions with this ATED, just leave messages on this contact. And if we saw it, we will answer with you. Yes. And now, after introduce its optical part, let us introduce its mechanical designs. As you know, one of our products is our mechanical design is very meticulous, and the 80ED is a very budget-friendly telescope, but we don't have reduced its functions for sake of cost, such as that. Instead, there are many small details to help you use it more conveniently, so I will introduce you later.
The ASCA ATED's lens hood is retractable. It can be reserved and screwed in to reduce overall size when not in use. Portable, easy to carry. Or extended to in front of the lens to minimize stray light.
Yes, when you use it, you can just screw it and it will more expanded. Also. And after remove this lens hold, you can show here, and the lens features a name ring. And it is also has a serial number on it. Most of Ask products have such features, like we also design the serial numbers of it. So I think it can make you more think this product is belongs to you, and it will more convenient when you have anything like after sharing, such like this. And the inner tube is designed with dual baffles to maximize the stray light expression, and with such of designs, when you is imagine, you can have a stronger image contrast and clear celestial details when during your astrophotography or anything. And this price of this model is very budget, but the surface treatment is really good, and the overall material is feels very similar to the Apple series, like the 103 Apple or 120 Apple, like this. And it is ornamented with an anodized surface, and it also has an orange decorative ring here, and this tubery is also orange, so it's maybe like a orange telescope. And I just think this orange may look this telescope very delight, and I think it may like the sun color or something like this.
Yes.
And I think this if you use this 80ED, it will may have many clear skies. Yes, I think this.
Yes, it's a very lovely stuff, right?
Yes.
The tube ray is lightweight yet sturdy, equipped with
Yes, it is very sturdy.
yes, equipped with strong screw for easy use.
So you don't need any Allen wrench or something like this. And you can just open this tube ring and close it just with the hand. Okay, you can just lock it
It's very suitable.
with these thumb screws. Thumb screw is also designed with many ASCAR telescopes.
It's a very convenient design.
Yes, and now we will introduce you this handlebar. This handlebar has a slotted design. You can see it. And it allows additional astronomical equipment to be mounted via the screws. So if you have something like this air case, so you can just put it with the screws. And let's see the bottom of this telescope. It has a 200 millimeters long standard Vixen style Doppler plate. As you all know, this ASCAR products also has a Vixen style standard Doppler plate.
Yes.
So, but on the bottom of it, it also has a standard tripod holes. So if you use a tripod, if you have a tripod and you want to use it with visual observing, you can just screw it on this tripod. Okay, now let's see the focuser of it.
The ASCAR 80ED slow speed black and opinion focuser enables coarse and fine focusing. The travel length is 7 millimeters. The focuser base includes an enlarged locking screw, which can be easily locked even under high load. Additional screw holes are available for Stanley and the electric focuser.
Yes, and this 80ED features a two finder bases at both sides of the cursor, and here is one, and here is another finder. Here is another finder base of it, and it can eliminate the accessories and provide more mounting options of other accessories. And for more portable design, we have slotted these two finder bases, so it maybe makes this total volume is more smaller and is more portable, and you can just put it in your bag. Yes, and I can show you like this. This is our gyroscope, 32 gyroscope. You can just take it. Sorry.
Yes, you can see it's a very practical design.
Okay, you can just loosen it a little and just put it in. Yes, just like it. So here is two finder bases on this cursor. And the overweight is very light. It's only 2 kilograms, and you can see we can just take it with one hand. It's very light. Therefore, it doesn't have a high requirements for bearing of the equatorial mount and the tripod, and it is very portable. You can use it with. I think the most equatorial mount is okay for this, and the tripod is also. You can just use what you have to use with this. ATED.
Yes, the rail of the ATED is equipped with a 2-inch adapter and with an internal copper plated in really to prevent damage to connect device.
Okay, here we have a introduction of this ATED, and this OTA is have many useful designs for users, and I think its optical performance is really great. If you have any questions, you can just leave your message on our live stream, and if we looked it, we will answer you. Or you can just contact our support team from our emails, and we will also answer you about what you want to know.
Yes, you can leave them in the comment section.
And the price, okay, I know everyone is want to know this ATED price, and the price is absolutely amazing and with great deals. What is the price of this ATED?
It's all about 399.
It is 399 for this OTA. It's very budget and very,
Yes.
I think it is very amazing for such a telescope. Now, except this great OTA, we also have designs different image accessories for it, and we will introduce these accessories for you later. Here have our three image accessories. First, we will introduce you this flattener. This flattener will not change the focal ratio of it. After you connect it with this ATED, it will still the 7 focal ratio. And after this flattener, the ATED is optimized for the APS-C brand, so you can just use it with ZW 2600 or 2994, such as these telescopes. It's also okay. And it weighs 0.42 kilogram. And back focus after connected with this ATED, it's 55 millimeter from the N48 thread. So the back focus is 55 millimeter. And this rear end adapter has a built-in N48 2-inch filter thread. And you can check it. You can see it here, and we can try it for and it also integrates a 390-degree camera rotator for convenient running during the imaging. And the entire of the flattener is CNC machine and comes with a threaded mantle caps. You know, this one is a front cap. Yes, here is it can be put it in a 2-inch filter in it. It has a 2-inch filter thread on it, so you may don't need the filter drawer. Yes, it's a very convenient design. At the back of this flattener, it also has a dust cap. If you don't use it, you can just create it for prevent the dust in it. Yeah. And flattener, when you use it, it don't change the native focal ratio, but it can correct the field curvature and coma and resulting in a flatter field and sharper round steps on the edges. And if you use it with ATED, And if you use an APS-C camera, and I think the star performance is really great and don't will make you lose your mind. Okay, next we will introduce you this 0.85 multiple reducer. Okay, maybe you can show how to connect it. Okay. So if you use it with the 80 ED and the focal ratio is down to 5.9, and I think it is standard reducer with the standard reducer for such telescopes, and it also has a field flattening correction. It adopts a triplet lens design and one piece of LED glass. The three image accessories is all have the triplet lens design and all have including one piece of LED glass. And it is also optimized for the APS-C frame. So if you have such cameras, you can just use it. And it weighs 0.44 kilogram. And back focus is also the standard 55 millimeter. As a real adapter of it, it has also the 2-inch bracket thread, so you don't need to use the future drawer or something like this. And it has also a 360-degree camera adapter, camera rotator, sorry, camera rotator. Okay, okay, we can just screw it. You know, if you want to change the camera rotator, change the camera angle, you can just screw this. Yes. And this f5.9 focal ratio is more shorter than the 7, and the shorter focal ratio can provide a wider field of view and faster exposure times, and make it ideal for capturing large nebular star clusters and faint, fast-moving celestial objects. Okay, and the last image accessories, I think it is not so it's might so much on such price range of the telescope accessories. You know, this telescope this telescope is very budget, and the most accessories of it, such like 0.85 or just like binoculars. But we also have the 0.7 multiple reducer, and attached with this 80 ED, it can become a 4.9 focal ratio. It's very fast. Yes, after this ATED is F7, so I think it's moderate focal ratio. But after it's lower than F5 is. Yes. So it can become a fast focal ratio. And I think it's very real of this such a price range telescope. And it also features a triplet lens design with one piece of LED glass. And it is also optimized for the APS-C frame camera. If you don't have the astro camera, you also have some like DSLR camera, so you can just use with the we have this stuff like this camera adapter, such like this. You can just connect with it, and you can also use with your DSLR camera. So you can see it. It also has a 390-degree camera rotator, and it also has a filter thread, and at the front of it and bottom of it, it also has the dust cap. So the both of the most all of these three image accessories all have great designs and great imagine performance. Yes. Okay, please tell us the price of the magic accessories. Is it very expensive? No, its price is 189. How much? 189.
Yes, and this accessory is per piece of 189, and the ATED OTA is 399 per piece.
It's a very and effective.
Yes, so where can we buy it?
You can scan the QR code in here, and also you can click the Amazon link below this YouTube live stream,
Yes.
or you can buy directly from our Amazon store. Of course, you can also purchase it through our local dealers. You can find all the dealers on the dealers page on our website.
Yes, you can buy it from our Amazon store or our dealers. You can choose any ways you want. Okay, if you have any questions about this APED telescope, or if you have anything you want to know with our Ask branch, you can just leave a message on this live stream, and if we watch it, we will answer you. Or you can ask our support team after this live stream. Yes, it's all fine.
There is a small amount of stock available for ATED. If you need it, you need to hurry up and place your order.
And besides, it can be used for imaging for astrophotography. It also can be used for visual observation. And I think the visual observation is much lower requirements for the environment. You don't need to wait for the night or don't wait for maybe clear skies. And a lower requirement for the setup is something like you don't have cameras, but you can also use it for visual observation.
Yes.
You can do it in your backyard or even from apartment balcony. It's all fine. You can just use it with everywhere for visual anything you want. And it may, and later the weather is more warm. And so you can take this APED outdoors for camping or some like weekend hike or bird watching or some just enjoy the scenery. So you just saw it. So I will show you how to make it for the visual observing. You
The
can see here. Okay.
yes, the ETEs has a 2-inch rear end adapter, so you can attach a 2-inch diagonal and eyepieces directly. If you prefer, you can also use 2-inch to 1.25-inch adapter to connect 1.25-inch diagonal and eyepiece instead. It just depends on what gear you already have.
Yes, here is the ATED with the 2-inch diagonal and the 2-inch eyepiece. If you use this, how to use this, you can check the views with what you see just with your eyes. Or if you don't use with this, you can just maybe uh seeing the scene very awful, I think. Yes, so you can use this. You can use anything you have, just use the gear you have. And as we mentioned before, the ATED data plate has a screw holes on the center of it. It is standard tripod holes, so you can just use it directly with the tripod you have. Yes, I think such like this. Yes, such like
It's super convenient.
it is. It has it's just a tripod we have, and you can just use it because the screw house is standard.
and it can be useful with the most tripod we have. Or do you want to, if you mean the larger aperture of this series, it may be if this HED is the where welcomed, we may have more plans for this ED series because I think it's very budget and is more welcome for everyone. Yes, for most people. And if you have any questions, just leave your messages on the live stream and we will answer for you. And it is extremely lightweight as whole. I have to point it because it only weighs 2 kilograms. You can see I can just carry it with one hand. So with your tripod and this small bigger accessories like this, because 2 inch, it may be just such size. And if you have the 1.25 eyepieces or diagonals, it will be more small, such like just this, such small. And with your tripod, it can be still very easily packed into your bag or just throw it into your cars. Just take it with you and enjoy the scenery and cannot be seen directly with your eyes. I think it's very easy for use and easy to carry and easy to enjoy it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. Okay, here now we have introduced the ATEDs, OTA itself, and we have introduced the image accessories, the image accessory, the flattener, the 0.85 multiple reducer, the 0.7 multiple reducer, and we also know how to use it for video observing. And I think maybe we have introduced the everything of it. And here is his price. Could you see it again? This so budget, so amazing price. This telescope price is 399, and yes, one of it the price is 189, right? Yes. And how can you buy it? Where can you buy it from? If you are interested in ATED, you can click the Amazon link below the YouTube live stream or buy directly from our Amazon store. And also you can scan the QR code here. Of course, you can also purchase through our local dealers. Yes, you can order it from our Amazon stores or ask your dealers and anything else you want. Yes. Now here, you can click to follow us, and then you won't to miss our updates. If you have any questions, you can just leave your messages on this live stream. And after we look at it, we will answer for you. There is a small amount of stock available for ATED. If you need it, you need to hurry up and place your order. This ATED is an aperture of 80 millimeter and the focus ratio is 7.
And if with this price, like this 399 for this OTA and 189 for these accessories, we think it may be a great price for anyone if you want to just start your astronomy roles or just interested in it, but don't want to take too many bets on it, or just you want to view the things or view birds on your daily life. I think it is a good choice for this way.
It's a very convenient and cost-effective telescope.
And if you have anything when using ASCAR products or when using the ATEP, you can also contact our support team. We'll also keep our best for supporting you and for anything. And if you want to buy our products, you can click our website of the dealer and dealer page to check the dealers at your located, or you can just click our Amazon store to
Yes,
find.
this is the QR code.
Yes, we have in our store and we have many dealers around the world. So we think it's great.
Hello, users. Okay, if you are just newly in our live stream,